Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone. We meet again for our English class today. Today we are going to continue the topic from our last class, that is Module 8. Where were you yesterday? You may refer textbook page 80 for today's lesson. Okay, before we go further, let's take a look at our objective today. At the end of the lesson, pupils will be able to ask and answer WH questions, write sentences regarding WH questions. And then the success criteria for our lesson today are: pupils watch the YouTube video, pupils understand the lesson, pupils write their questions in the exercise book, and then the pupils answer the questions in the exercise book. Now we start our class with this activity. Okay, say the words. When I say the words, I want you to repeat after me. Okay, are you ready, class? Good. Okay, the first word, in the morning. Okay, repeat after me. In the morning. Okay, in the morning, you wake up from sleep and you have your breakfast. Okay, next, in the afternoon. Okay, repeat after me. In the afternoon. Okay, you will feel hot in the afternoon because the sun shines brightly. Okay, you also have your lunch in the afternoon. Okay, the duration of afternoon is from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, next, in the evening. Okay, repeat after me. In the evening. In the evening is when the sun sets and the day changes into night. Okay, next is amusement park. Okay, repeat after me, class. Amusement park. Okay, you go to amusement park to have fun because there are many enjoyable activities that you can do here. Okay, this is the amusement park. Next is museum. Okay, museum. Museum is the place where many historical artifacts are displayed for the visitors. Okay, this is the museum. Very good. Now let's look at the circus. Okay, circus. Repeat after me, class. Circus. Circus is where performers such as clowns, acrobats, and trained animals exhibit their tricks and performance to the visitors. Okay, now let's take a look to the. Let's move on to the adjective. Okay, you still have to say the words after me. Okay, number one, interesting. Repeat after me, class. Interesting. When you like something, you may think that it is interesting. Okay, next, boring. Okay, boring. It can be a boring. Okay, it can be a boring time for you if you don't have any interesting thing to do. Okay, next, noisy. Okay, repeat after me, class. Noisy. When there are sound from many sources heard at the same time, it becomes a noisy condition or situation. Okay, okay. The last one is quiet. Okay, quiet. When there is no sound or no one is talking, okay, it is quiet. Okay, now we will move on to the next part of our lesson today. That is, let's write. Okay, we will learn how to write questions and answers using who plus where plus when and plus how. Before we go further, let's look at the meaning of these words. Okay, who is siapa? Where is di mana? When is bila, how is bagaimana. Now look at the pictures numbered from 1 until 4 here. Okay. Next, let's look at the information from the pictures. Okay. Number 1. Number 1 is who. Okay. Who is the girl shown in the picture? Okay. She is Dora. Okay. Number 2. Where is the place shown in the picture? It is the shopping center. Okay. Number 3. When did this happen? Okay. When did this happen? It happens in the afternoon. And then number 4 is how. Okay. How was the condition or situation? Okay. It was noisy. Okay. It was noisy. Okay. You have studied the information from the picture. Now let's try and look how to write the questions and the answer. Okay. Examples of the questions are: where was Dora yesterday afternoon? And how was it? Okay. To answer this question, remember the structure: who plus where plus when and plus how earlier that I said to you. Okay. Number 1. Okay. Number 1, who is the girl? Okay, the girl is Dora. Number 2, where did she go? She went to the shopping center. Number 3, when was it? Okay, yesterday afternoon. And how? Okay, how was the condition? It was noisy. Okay, very good. Okay, let's look at another picture. Okay, the pictures are also numbered from 1 until 4. Okay, we have Kevin and Sandra, circus, morning, and funny. Now, let's look at the information from the pictures. Okay, number 1, who? Okay, who are the people shown in the picture? Okay, Kevin and Sandra. Number 2, where? Okay, where were they? At the circus. When? Okay, when did it happen? In the morning. And how was the condition or the situation? Okay, funny. Okay, it was funny. Okay, let's try and look on how to write the questions and the answer. Okay, examples of the questions are: where were Kevin and Sandra yesterday morning? And how was it? Remember what we have learned in our last class. Okay, we use were for plural or more than two people or things. Okay, remember the structure: who plus where plus when and plus how. Okay, number 1, for example, number 1, who? Okay, who are the people in the picture? Kevin and Sandra. Number 2, where? Okay, where were they? Where were they? They were at the circus. Okay. Number 3, when? Okay. When did they go there? Yesterday morning. Then number 4 is how. Okay. How was it? It was funny. Okay. Okay, now it's time for the homework. Okay. There are a few steps to do that you have to follow to do this homework. Okay. Step number 1 is you have to look at the pictures below. Okay. Pictures numbered from 1 until 4. Okay. Then step number 2 is you have to complete the list below using information from the pictures here. Okay. Then step number 3 is you have to write your sentences using the structures below. Okay. You may refer to the examples given earlier. Okay. Okay. Remember you have two homeworks for this activity. Okay. You have two homeworks. Okay. This one and this one. Okay. For the structure on how to write the sentences, you can refer to this one. Okay. I think that's all for today's class. Okay, I hope that you can finish your homework on time. Okay, we will meet again in our next class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.